Hi there, we're the STAR team and we're part of the DIH2 project. I'm going to present to you today our Rose AP project. In order to download the files for our Rose AP project, you need to go on our GitHub page, which is going to be linked in the description, and then you go to the source folder where all the source code is for our project, and then download the Rose AP folder. Right, so I'm going to use our Git bash terminal on my Windows computer in order to build and run our Rose AP. In order to build the container, you need to run docker compose build command. Once that's finished, you can simply run docker compose up to start the Rose AP, and you will see loads of lines on your screen, and they should be running shortly. Your web browser and just type in localhost :4200. I'll click on the tables button to get to our table screen, and I'll select my CSV value table and then click on execute query to run the query against that table. And you can see there are quite a few job IDs in there. I've been playing with that this morning, so let's go ahead and try and insert a new job into that screen. So you could see that's our work CSV that's been updated by the ERP normally, but I'll inject another value just to see if it works. So if I click on that and press save, then go back and execute the query, you could see that is populated into our table. Now we know the data is inside our database. Let's start the HMI software that the operator would use to select the job and send it to the PLC. The software we use for that demonstration is called Ignition, and I'm using its trial mode. You can find how to install it and start it in the Rose AP documentation. Right, now we know how to start it. I'll just simply go and start the Vision Client Launcher and select our Rose AP HMI application. It might take a while. I have the client. You can see that the jobs are exactly the same in this table as they are in the database. So just go and select a job, for example, job ID 100, and send it to our star cell PLC. It will ask me whether I want to confirm. I'll say yes, and then it will confirm the job has been successfully transferred to the PLC. And that is pretty much it. Thank you for watching.